for part 2 of your checkerboard assignment, we are going to be adding color to every other square on your checkerboard. In order to do that, we need to go to our line tools. You are going to select polyline, and then you're going to select where you would like to add your color. So you're going to click at the corner of one of your squares. You're going to draw your line. Okay, you do not need to hold it down, you just need to click. You're going to click at the next corner. Okay, we're going to click at this corner, that corner, and then we are going to close our shape and stop at the corner we started with. Okay, now we have our square. Okay, in order to change the color, up here we have our little paint bucket where it says fill color. You're going to select that. You can choose any color you would like for your checkerboard. For this example, I'm just going to use the traditional black. Okay, now we have our first square. Remember, a checkerboard is every other square in each row. Okay, and then it's going to be diagonal as well. Alright, so I'll do one more for you for this example. Okay, so we've got our first square. We're going to skip a square and go to the next one. Remember, you are clicking at the corner. You're drawing your line to the next corner, clicking, clicking again, and again, and then closing that shape. Okay, go to the fill color, select your color, and there it is. As you get further away, your squares are going to be a lot smaller and a lot harder to see. If you use the zoom option, okay, you can get a lot closer. Now you can see where you may have messed up. Okay, so you can see how some of my lines aren't correct. So even using that zoom option in the beginning is probably best as well. Okay? So in the end, yours might look something like this. Okay, you can tell some of my squares are a little off. So one more time, if you press the zoom button, okay, you can zoom in to see where it might be off. Okay, and then you can go in, select, you can either erase the whole thing and then redraw your line, so you can see a couple of them are off, right? So I suggest going in and redoing the ones that are off. Okay, so that is the second part of your assignment. In the end, you will have a nice full checkerboard. Do not forget that once you are finished, make sure you go back to the hub for Tuesday's assignment and press submit. Okay, do not press submit until you are finished with the whole thing.